Hello everyone. So today is day 16 of the challenge. Today is day 16 of the challenge, and today I am going to talk about something which I have recently noticed while making the goals or while while making the goals for 2026. Uh, I have noticed that for me making goals or achieving something means literally keeping myself all time busy and putting and noting I am repeating the same thing again and again. I am not able to talk about the thing which I have thought about to talk. The simple reason for that is I have not done a research or I have not written that thing on a paper. If I have done that, if I had written all the things, or if I have written about that topic in a paper or in a on a paper, I would easily talk about, and my mind would have a roadmap. My mind would have a roadmap about what to talk, and that's how I am not going to achieve all the things which I am dreaming to achieve in 2026. And and by the end of this year I will only and only regret that I have wasted another year only because of my procrastination, and only because of my procrastination. This is again day 16. In these 16 days I literally have nothing. I did literally have nothing. I literally didn't have worked on anything. I have just recorded and posted for the sake of doing that, not for to improve my communication in a real, or not done anything in these 31 plus 35 days of 2026 to achieve that goal which I was dreaming by the starting of this year. It was day 16.